here at the East Broad Top on its work weekend. Today is August 2nd, and I wanted to show you all off the progress that's been going on here. So, starting up, we're going to start off with all the track. We have put in ties on track 3. We completed that all of yesterday, and today we have been dressing the track so it's ready for the event. They have the passenger train here parked. We had lots of track crew today. But here's the train. We have East Broad Top booth number 28. Passenger car number 168, open car. East Broad Top number 111, also an open car. East Broad Top number 175, also an open. Flat car number 119. And last open car number 107. Either way, continuing up. Alright, we're moving on out to the track. They're getting it all cleaned up with a power washer, so it's ready for the event. Alright, continuing up. We dressed up track 1 and part of the main. As you can see, everything's looking great in between here. Now, going on to track 1, we cleaned all this up, dressed all this up down here. We're having brand new switches put in. Well, not completely brand new. Of course, they were already used on the East Broad Top. We're just getting them all cleaned up and painted. So, we dressed this all up. Brought in more gravel if we needed it. Continuing up, 2 switches there. As you can see, this one's a little bit new. It is used, we just painted it. Station's being repainted. Finishing up with the sweeping.
Final touches.
Yeah.
Nathan, great, Nathan.
Yep.
Had a good day.
Very good day.
Still looks like a lot of fouls and ties, but a bunch of guys picked up.
Huge difference here. Got all this out. There's a lot of gravel in between here, about up level with the track, along with in between the guardrails.
Unfavorable conditions.
Yeah. It's all dressed, it's all ready for the event. We are excited. Freight office is having its windows put in. We'll continue across the street. Yep. Continuing on over, we're having the station repainted, of course. We have flowers hung up. We have all sorts of merchandise ready to be sold. It's absolutely gorgeous so far. Now, over here on track 3, okay, this is the main. There's track 1, track 3. We had new ties put in all along here. Okay. Main line looks great. The employees of the East Broad Top, shout out to them, good job. Have finished up working on the bridge down there. I might just walk down there just to show y'all. They have combination car number 15 sitting here behind their line of hopper cars. Then we also worked on a lot of switches around here on the East Broad Top, putting in all sorts of new ties, tie plates, and spikes, and in some locations even rail. Continuing up, I don't know what their plans are for number 15 here. There's a good shot of the station, everything over there. Continuing up, we put in, I'd say, what was it, about 8 or 9 ties here on track 3. This is where they're going to be setting the equipment that they're going to be using on for the event. Looking back here. Again, track 3, track 2, which is the main, and track 1, the boarding. And I believe that's how they're going to do it. We'll continue on up. Here's 2 of the new switches that we repainted. Well, they look good. We're very proud of them. They look extraordinary. All the hopper cars, we're using 2 for ballasting, except we're not using it at the moment for anything. This is the end of track 3 here. Of course, track 3 keeps on going on, except it hasn't been used in a very, very long time, and I believe so since the 1950s. They plan on rebuilding it, possibly regrading. I'm going to keep on walking down. But yeah, there's a lot of progress being done. I'm very proud of East Broad Top with all the progress they've been doing. A lot of places, you know, you just don't see as much progress as you do on the East Broad Top, and it's a very special place. It really is. It's shown many improvements. Okay, it's got a bright future ahead, and I'm proud of what it's become. So we're continuing on up. Okay, there's track 1 again. The main. There's track 3, which will be ripped up and then rebuilt in the future. We'll continue on up here. Okay, I'll be at the event on the 13th, 14th, and 15th. I'll be recording here. I will be recording up in the mountains. I'll be absolutely everywhere. So if you come across me, you can say hi. I'll greet you. Maybe you can be in a video. Yep. Coming up to the end of track 1 up here. Track 1 was actually restored in 2011 for the Thomas event. And after that, of course, nothing else operated except for the M7. Continuing on up for y'all. Again, track 3. And track 1, we're just about to come up on the onto the switch where it joins back into the main line. Like I said, this is a very extraordinary place to be. Alright, I am gonna have to make this a part 1 video right here, showing off the track and everything. I'll put the bridge into part 2 and walking back. So like, share, and subscribe for more, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye bye.